We're going to have a look now at identifying cations. These are positively charged and usually metal ions. And in your workbook, you'll see one of the ways in which we can do this, and it is called the flame test. What we've got are different solutions. First of all, spray bottles of lithium chloride, strontium chloride, copper sulfate, calcium chloride, barium chloride, potassium chloride, some sodium chloride, and a number of unknown cations. So we should be able to sort out what those unknown cations are. So let's have a look at the flame test first of all. What you'll need to do as I carry out these flame tests is to record the results in your workbook. The first one that we're going to have a look at is lithium chloride, and its formula is LiCl. And the colour there that you can see is bright red, even crimson. So the next one is strontium chloride. I would describe that as bright orange. Bright orange. The next one is copper sulfate. The strontium chloride, by the way, has the formula SrCl2. Our copper sulfate has the formula CuSO4. Let's see what colour it brings. Let's say we call that green. That looks like green to me. Our next one is calcium chloride. Calcium chloride has the formula of CaCl2. Calcium chloride. Now that again, I would describe that as bright orange. So it looks a bit tricky, doesn't it, to distinguish between strontium chloride and calcium chloride. So bright orange, and this one, strontium chloride, slightly redder. Okay, our strontium chloride seems to be slightly redder in colour than calcium chloride. So let's try now barium chloride, and barium chloride, as you can see or hope, is BaCl2. So I'm going to call that light green. Light green. Now, our next one is potassium chloride, and the formula for potassium chloride is KCl. Now it's an interesting colour. It's kind of violet or purple. The word indigo has also been used to describe that colour, indigo. The last one is sodium chloride, and its formula, as we probably know, is NaCl. I'm going to call that bright yellow. Our next task is to record the unknowns. So I've got here unknown A. Let's see what colour that brings. Let's try unknown B. Wow, that looks pretty clear, doesn't it? That's our violet, our indigo, our purple one. Let's try unknown C. Oh, that's our light green, isn't it? So there we've got three unknowns, A, B and C, and what we're going to try and do is work out what they are based on the colour of the flame. Now, it's interesting to understand why it is that these cations give out this colour, and what happens is that in the flame the electrons are excited by the heat of the flame, and the electrons in the iron jump up, so to speak, into a higher energy level, then fall back down. And when they fall back down, they give out certain frequencies. And it's those frequencies that indicate their colour. We'll have a look later at other methods of identifying cations.